Welcome to Graphic Quiz. Today's topic is typography and print settings questions on Adobe InDesign. A statement will be given, and you have to determine whether it is right or wrong. InDesign is primarily used for creating photo edits. This statement is wrong. InDesign is best for creating layouts for books, magazines, flyers, and other print or digital documents. You can create and manage multiple pages in a single InDesign document. This statement is right. Use the Pages panel to add, delete, or rearrange pages in your document. InDesign supports text wrapping around images. This statement is right. Use the Text Wrap panel to make text flow smoothly around objects or images. You cannot use guides and grids in InDesign. This statement is wrong. Use guides and grids for precise alignment and consistent layout design. InDesign can export documents as interactive PDFs. This statement is right. Add hyperlinks, buttons, and other interactive elements to create engaging PDFs for digital use. InDesign does not support working with master pages. This statement is wrong. Master pages allow you to apply consistent elements like headers, footers, or page numbers across multiple pages. You can link external files like images in InDesign. This statement is right. Use linked files to keep your InDesign document lightweight and update content easily when source files change. InDesign automatically embeds all fonts used in a document. This statement is wrong. Make sure to package your file or embed fonts when exporting for print to avoid missing fonts. You cannot adjust kerning or tracking in InDesign. This statement is wrong. Use the character panel to adjust kerning, space between letters, and tracking, overall spacing. InDesign allows you to create tables directly within your document. This statement is right. Use the Table tool to create and format tables, ideal for organized data presentation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share your quiz ideas in comment box.